Good evening. This is on recorded on the 19th of June 2025. It's about 10 p.m. So what I'm showing here is the chart for gold, spot gold versus the US dollar. So in my previous video about gold, I mentioned that gold is going to have some kind of major pullback soon. So you can see here a lot of wicks have appeared. So when a lot of peaks wicks appeared, and then the momentum slows down a lot, expect to have some kind of pullback soon. I've been telling about these pullbacks for a couple of months, in fact, weeks and months when it was still here. So I mentioned that you should start taking profit if you have one. For the past few months, a lot of people have been taking profit here. And then geopolitical issues like some kind of war beginning about from from between Israel and Iran have somehow pushed gold beyond the selling point. So a lot of people try to sell, but the prices are quite supported by people who thinks that gold is a safe haven to against this geopolitical risk. So whether it will continue go down, we won't know because it might absorb all the selling pressure here and still goes continue upwards. It might happen this way. I've seen it before. It might just consolidate it a bit here, consolidated a lot, this one, and then it starts to move up again. This is one of the scenarios. uh, it will just go up here, consolidate a bit, and continue upwards. So this is possible, one of the scenarios that it might turn out this way, or it will go up here flat and then come down. This is more likely, I think. It should come down here maybe and then continue upwards, because the more problem the world has right now, the higher likelihood that gold is being favored as a safe haven. So this is weekly chart. Will take weeks, months to play out. So expect some kind of a pullback soon. Pullback can appear quite a lot, especially when your price is far beyond above the moving average. So expect some kind of major pullback here, maybe to 3000 level. Here, 3000 level. So it might come down all the way down to this zone. So yeah, gold in the long run appears to be having some kind of pullback soon. Let's check out the daily chart. Daily chart for gold appears to be struggling. The main move upwards has ended here. If you think that it's continuing upwards, don't kid yourself. This is a channel downtrend channel, a pullback channel. So it breaks out of the channel, but instead of continuing upwards, it's struggling to go upwards, you see. Struggling to go upwards. It might retest this level, and then crash down. This is one of the main scenarios that I think it will happen soon. It will crash down all the way down to around here, 3000 level, as I previously mentioned, or 3050 level. It might come down all the way here. So this will create a double top. Maybe it might happen this way. There's no guarantee, but we try to estimate or guesstimate how it will happen. This is a clear cut. See, it's clear cut trend. What do you call it? Channel. Clear cut channel from here to here. So this actually indicates that it has ended. That the move upward has ended. So you can just draw around, play around with these things. can just try to adjust as many points as possible into this channel to make it more reliable. So channel, I should do a video about channels sometime soon. Channel is a very interesting tool, and people who likes to use this one, especially swing traders, tend to use a lot these kind of channels and what do you call it, regression trend channel as well. So yeah, so let's try this one. I can see if you use the regression trend channel, it's sort of like a capture these points. This one looks quite good, right? See, anything that goes down to here, it will be a good upward bounce. So anything, if it's going on this lower portion, it tends to be on the negative side, even though if it's still pointing upwards. So if it's let's try this one, because right now is very much sideways position. So we try to draw here to here, see where it goes. Okay, so according to this one, regression channel, I think it's called regression channel, right? Yeah, it's regression trend channel. Oops. So yeah, we try to use this kind of tools to identify. I don't really use this regression channel too much. Mostly I use just the normal channel, as I try to keep things simple as possible. So this is one of the points, at least 3 to 4 points, I think, minimum 3. So this one, when it breaks above and a pullback, this usually indicates end of trend or something. So this is another second point, and this is a third point. It doesn't really need to touch on this one. Just anywhere it goes near it indicates that it has respected this channel, as you can see here. Respect the channel and indicate that it will continue this way. So if you have a channel like here and to here, so expect when prices comes down to this area, try to buy in if you have you are trading this kind of channel move. You can buy in here, set your stop loss here or somewhere higher if you want have less risk tolerance, or lower if you have more risk tolerance. Then wait for it to go back upwards to these areas and then take profit like this kind. See, so if you buy in here and then it goes all the way here, you still make some money, not a lot, but still make some. So channel trading is this kind. Just play with the bounce around, bounce, buy at the low point and sell at the high point, not keeping it for forever, just trading. Yeah, that's trading. So check out the hourly chart for this goal. It appears that see, this is the upper trend. So if you're trading this one here, it will go back here. So when this one is supported, so you know this previous trend, if you are trading here, all these haven't appeared yet. So you think that it will go up here and then break here. So you most probably take profit here instead of chasing it all the way up. One of the main thing I don't like this regression trend channel is it's not too adjustable. So for me, every time it moves upwards like this, I'll just try to adjust things. You don't really have to be exact. So as long as you have a lot of points, see, a lot of points is good enough. A lot of points that touches these areas. So imagine you buy here and then watch it go all the way up here, and the momentum slows down, you sell. Then you know that the price is actually changed when it breaks above. So I mean this channel change. So you draw another new channel like here onwards. See, you can continue trading it all the way upwards. Maybe even here if you are lucky. Let's see first. Yeah. So if you buy here, somehow you will lose money. Yeah, see? There's no guarantee that no single way that you will make money all the time. So if you buy here and you sell here, you make money. You buy here and you sell here, you may be barely able to make any money. Buy in here and sell here, you make money, and it doesn't go down yet, so you didn't buy, and then it goes all the way up here and goes back down to touch this level. You think you're some kind of smart ass and you try to buy in here and then it crashed down. Yeah, this is life of a trader. If you use this one, you think you're making money, yeah, and suddenly it just reverse down and you're losing money here. So yeah, trading is like that. You will make money and you will lose money. Most likely you will lose a lot of money too if you are not careful enough. So this kind of moves, you see, if you are a 30-minute or 15-minute trader, this is a very good swing trade. You can just buy in at these swing points. You can just use this one, select this one, see where you can go. Okay, here. So it has returned back to this one. You know that previously these lines here actually respected this channel for a very long time until it is here. It starts not respecting it that much. So do you think this one will drop here and then break, go back up here? Yeah, if you're a short-term, very short-term trader, it's 30 minutes. So expect to have some kind of bounce in 30 minutes, I think. Maybe something happening in the Middle East again, or some the Israel-Iran war. It will fight on, in my opinion. So it's not that easy to get a lot of people to sit on the table and then try to make some kind of peace treaty or something. So yeah, gold has been in the short term been having quite a lot of headwinds, so it might it doesn't drop that much, but it's more like a sideways pattern. So expect prices to go up maybe, because there's a lot of movement downwards, but then it doesn't go down that much. You can see when the price goes upwards, it's more parabolic, and when it's going downwards, it's not that parabolic. So it indicates that buyers are very strong here and prices don't just go down. They goes like this sideways. So yeah, gold expect to be going up. Let's see weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that is a lot of sellers, but then short term is a buy, long term is a sell. So let's say short term you just expect, oh, short term unless it breaks above this one, then it's a buy. So I rephrase it. If you're going for maybe daily or hourly chart, expect this thing, if it comes down, will be quite harsh. So be careful. It might go all the way down here. We test this one, this area, which is quite coincidentally also the 200 week moving average. So gold is quite dangerous. What do you call it? Commodities at the moment. If you want to buy here, I don't recommend unless it's very short term. If you trade here and you expect prices to go up here, then you can buy and see if it goes up. But for me, I won't be touching this one. Too dangerous, too risky. because it's quite far away from this moving average. There is a serious pullback soon. So far, there's no serious pullback here yet. But you can see that the trend is showing up already. A small pullback, bigger pullback, a more bigger pullback. So what do you think this will do? Should be a very big pullback. So until 3,000 level at least. $3,000 level. So if you're buying gold right here, expect to have at least $300 drop, about 10% from this level. It's not really a good thing to buy at this point. So yeah, I try not to make this video too long. So share, subscribe, and also check out my older videos. Good night.